this is Polly and you are watching Polly's World. I welcome you all to Polly's Kitchen. Today, I am here with some healthy, fresh fruits. Yes, today's recipe is totally based on these fruits, and one more important ingredient which I am going to use is this. Yes, I will use chia seeds, and today I am going to make chia seed fruit salad. And you can have this fruit salad as dessert after meal, or you can have it in your breakfast. And the most important thing of this recipe is it is full of nutrients. You will get carbohydrate, protein, fatty acid, fiber, vitamins, everything. So I would suggest you can try it at least once a week, and it is really nice. So without wasting much time, let's start.
To make chia seeds fruit salad, we need 100 ml of milk, 100 ml of coconut milk, 4 tablespoons of chia seeds, 2 tablespoons of honey, half teaspoon of cardamom powder, some freshly cut fruits, some dry fruits, and 2 to 3 drops of saffron essence, which is optional. So at first I will take this kind of tiffin box with a lid. Now I will add 100 ml of milk. Next I will add 100 ml of coconut milk. And now it's time to add chia seeds. So here I will add 4 tablespoons of chia seeds into the milk. If you don't have coconut milk at home, it doesn't matter. You can even add total 200 ml of normal cow milk. Now just give it a quick stir. And now it's time to add honey. So we will add 2 tablespoons of honey. Now it's time to add cardamom powder. So I will add half teaspoon of cardamom powder. You can even increase the amount as per your taste. अगर आपको ज़्यादा flavor पसंद है तो आप थोड़ा ज़्यादा भी add कर सकते हैं. Now here I will use some saffron essence, just 2 to 3 drops will do the job, and this is a totally optional step. Now just give it a quick stir and mix them all well. Now here you can see the consistency of this mixture. Just give it a nice stir, mix all the ingredients properly. And now we will just close the tiffin box with this lid and will leave the box inside the refrigerator for overnight. Now let's have a look at the overnight soaked chia seeds. So you can look at the consistency of this mixture. It has become little thicky and jelly-like because chia seeds have soaked all the milk. Here chia seed mixture is ready, and let's start making chia seed fruit salad. So at first I will add one layer of fruit to each and every glass. So here I have added some apples. Now I will add one layer of chia seed mixture. Now again I will add another layer of fruit. So here I am adding dragon fruit. After that again we will repeat the same process. I will add 1 spoon of chia seed mixture, and this way just go on adding one layer of fruit and then one layer of chia seed mixture. And friends, you can add any fruits available at your home. Like if you are making it in summer season, you can add mango and watermelon into it. Now I will add some dry fruits on top of it. Seed fruit salad is ready, and this part of this video is totally for decoration. अब रेसिपी बनाई है तो थोड़ा attractive तो होना चाहिए ना. This way you can make your chia seed fruit salad a little attractive, presentable and delicious at the same time. And here the chia seed fruit salad is ready. And friends, I must say you got a perfect dessert to serve your guests. And this chia seed fruit salad I have made in one big glass. This is for one family of 4 to 5 persons, so you can just take 1 or 2 scoops from the glass and enjoy.
So friends, what do you think about this recipe? It's simple but very healthy, nutritious and yummy recipe. So I will just taste once. just amazing. It's yum. I would seriously recommend you just have it once at home. आप वापस आएंगे मुझे थैंक यू जरूर बोलेंगे. I'm telling you, it's just yum. And you can use any fruits. मेरे पास जो available था मैंने use किया है. If you have mango, watermelon, it is very good. So friends, for more such simple, healthy and delicious food recipes, stay tuned with Polly's World and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, eat well, sleep well, keep yourself healthy and in the meantime, keep watching Polly's World. Bye bye.